Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Check that your Android head unit lists Carplay or a Carplay-compatible mode. Next, plug a quality USB cable or pair the wireless dongle. This initializes the handshake. On your phone, grant permission for Carplay or projection and allow contacts, audio, and location access. Once done, switch the head unit input to the Carplay or external app channel so the system recognizes the phone and prepares the interface for the next configuration steps. Now configure the live connection. Select the Carplay source and watch for icons to populate. This confirms app communication. You should map steering wheel controls and test the touchscreen response. Recalibrate if taps drift. Then set audio routing. Choose USB for stable sound or Bluetooth if wireless, and test the microphone for voice commands. Make sure media, navigation, and phone calls route through the head unit, because that affects hands-free safety and which apps show up on the Carplay screen. Finish by testing core features. Place a call, start navigation, and play music. Activate the voice assistant to confirm microphone and commands work. If an app fails to load, disconnect and reboot the phone and head unit. This clears temporary handshakes. Make sure firmware and phone OS are current. If you still have issues, swap the cable or reset network settings on the phone. For one key troubleshooting tip, replace the USB cable first. Bad cables cause most connection failures and erratic behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.